Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cosplay arrows. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need items like PVC pipe or wooden dowels for the shaft and craft foam for details. Choosing the right shaft material is crucial for both durability and ease of working with it. Always remember to prepare your workspace safely, ensuring you have good ventilation and all your tools are within easy reach before you begin your crafting journey. Now, let's focus on crafting the main components. Begin by designing your arrowhead, thinking about your character's unique style. Next, carefully cut and sand your chosen shaft material, whether it's PVC pipe or a wooden dowel, to achieve your desired arrow length, typically around 28 to 32 inches. Finally, attach your crafted arrowhead firmly to the shaft using a strong adhesive or a small screw for extra security, ensuring it's perfectly aligned. With the shaft and arrowhead ready, it's time to add the fletching and nock. You can create realistic fletching using craft foam or even actual feathers, depending on your desired look. Attach 3 fletchings, spacing them evenly around the shaft's end, typically at 120-degree intervals, using a strong glue. For the nock, you can either carve a small groove into the shaft or attach a small piece of plastic, ensuring it fits your bowstring. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches and discuss safety. Paint your arrow with acrylics, adding weathering effects to give it an authentic, battle-worn appearance. Once dry, seal the paint with a clear protective coat to ensure its longevity and prevent chipping. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure your cosplay arrows are blunt and harmless, especially if you plan to use them at conventions or events. Enjoy your fantastic new prop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.